Dito git. Dito git. Nag-record ka na?
Hi guys! And I'm at my... Hi guys, and I'm at Aerodrome, and there's a koala here. Are we friends? I think so. So guys, do you want me to send some... If you want to send me some gift, please send me the spring buddy. I love the spring buddy. So if you want to come in my den, just search saphirathedragon2007. Oh, I can't search for myself. Sorry. So I want to have a trade. I always want to have some trade thingies. Like I'm having fun with tradings. I mean I like it so much. So who has the best trade? Okay. And this is cool. Please come to my den, guys, if you like. I already told you what's my name. Okay? So, let's go to... Damn it. Township. Let's see if there's other animals. Oh. Animals so tiny. So I want to trade with you. I want to trade with everybody. Oh, come first. Cool. Oh, these sisters. Oh my gosh, they're sisters. I don't know what to say to them. She's cute. That's where the brick was. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, there's a tiger. Oh, don't go! Don't go! Okay, here she is. She's moving! She's always moving! Where is she? Is she right here? I think I saw her wings. She's right here. No trade! But instead I can go to her den and... Whoa. Is that a spider nest? Okay. I'm gonna ask... Oh. Go to my den. Yay! Someone's at my den! So, okay, I hope she liked it. And I have a full buddy list, you guys. Look at my buddy list. It's full. I can't buddy others. Like I can buddy everybody. Oh, I'm getting crazy. So let's go to someone's den. So I missed her so much. So much, you guys. Missed so much. a rainbow slide on it. Cool statue. Yep, think so. Cool, good thing they're friends. Oh, look at this. Look at her pets. It's like protecting the castle. Okay? It's a goat. It's a deer. It's flying. Oh no. What is this here? What is in here? Oh, I shouldn't go there. I shouldn't get in. Something could happen. Let's see if we can trade together. No! No! We can't. Ooh, she has this too? We're the same. I have that too. Cool feathers. So, what do we go first? In here or in there? Maybe this could be the first we can. Ooh! Wow! Ah! There's a monster again! There's a monster again, so let's come here. So let's just let her walk until she goes there. Ooh. And we're here! We're at the rainbow, so it's time for a slide. Whee! Okay, time for another slide. Woo! Come on, slide. Come on. Oh, that's the longest slide ever. Woohoo! This is so long. Look, I think there's some secret in here. How cute! So what's in here? I think there's science! Ooh, cool. Awesome done. So I'm gonna send her some email. Like, meet me in my den. And so I could go to Crystal Sands. And guys, look at what I find from Birds of Paradise. This. It's so cool. This feathers. So let's close it up instead. Let's sit right here. So lag. Let's get a piece of paper like that hot one. So if you guys want to watch more videos, just click and subscribe. Bye, Mama Jam. Bye.